Students, this is the second class of anthelmintics. Already we have seen 3 drugs. So in this class we are going to see the other drugs coming under anthelmintics. So first one is albendazole. This is coming under benzimidazole derivatives. Already we have come across 2 benzimidazole derivatives. They are, one is thiabendazole, another one is mebendazole. So this should be albendazole. It has a similar structure with mebendazole. Compare the structure of albendazole with mebendazole. Both are having benzimidazole nucleus. Second position, both are having NHCOOCH3. So what is the difference? Both in the fifth position only they are differing. In the case of fifth position, it is having benzoyl, means that is called as mebendazole, but it is that is thiopropyl, means that is called albendazole. So what is the group present in fifth position for albendazole? That is thiopropyl. Others should be same. So what is the chemical name? This is methyl 5-thiopropyl benzimidazole 2-carbamate or 2-benzimidazole carbamate. So that is the chemical name of albendazole. Now we'll see the uses of albendazole. It is used in the treatment of intestinal nematode infections, treatment of ascariasis. Multiple dose therapy with albendazole can eradicate pinworm, threadworm and capillariasis. Next drug is niclosamide. This is the structure of niclosamide. It is coming under amides. So which amide it is? Benzene ring with amide. So totally it can be called benzamide. So in the case of benzamide, second position is having hydroxy and fifth position is having chlorine. And in the case of benzamide, this nitrogen has substitution. So what would be substituted with the nitrogen? 2-chloro 4-nitrophenyl. So what is the chemical name? N open bracket 2-chloro 4-nitro, this is phenyl close bracket, then 5-chloro 2-hydroxy benzamide. So that is the chemical name of niclosamide. It has 3 mechanism of actions. They are, it enables the glucose uptake, it enables the energy production by anaerobic metabolism, and it enables the inorganic phosphate incorporation into ATP. Next one is oxamniquin. This is the structure of oxamniquin. From the name itself we can say it is ending with quin, means that should have a quinoline. So this is the structure of quinoline, but one difference. So what is it? Quinoline is having 2 bonds in this ring, but these 2 bonds were absent here. That's why it is called tetrahydroquinoline. Why it is called tetrahydroquinoline? For a bond we have to add 2 hydrogens. Already 2 bonds left. That's why for a bond 2 no. So for 2 bonds 4 hydrogen. That's why tetrahydroquinoline. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tetrahydro. Then second portion what is attached? This is isopropyl amino methyl close bracket. Then 7-nitro. This is 7-nitro quinoline 6-methanol or 6-quinoline methanol. So that is the chemical name of oxamniquin. That is used in the treatment of Schistosoma manzoni infection, that is called intestinal schistosomiasis, and it enables DNA, RNA and protein synthesis in schistosomes. Next drug is praziquantel. This is the structure of praziquantel. Here it is having this part already we have come across, that is called as a saturated pyrazine, and this part no fusion of these 2 rings, that can be called saturated isoquinoline. So what is meant by isoquinoline? Fusion of benzene with pyridine, but in that the nitrogen is attached in the second position, that can be called as isoquinoline. This can be called as pyrazine, but pyrazine should have bonds inside. Look at this structure in second, the numbering starts from here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this is 10, 11. This no, this can be called 11A, and this part no, that can be called as 11B. But this is not pyrazino-isoquinoline, it is a derivative of pyrazino-isoquinoline. For that, here already I said no, numbering starts from here. So where it is having hydrogens 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 and 11B. So these 6 places are having hydrogens. That's why 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 11B hexahydro. If a double bond O is not there, that can be called as H. I mean 4H. So 4H pyrazinoisoquinoline. So that is the parent for this one. So what is the parent? Hexahydropyrazinoisoquinoline is the parent for praziquantel. Okay, and what would be the other substituents? Second portion it is having this, we have known this is called as cyclohexyl. So second portion cyclohexyl carbonyl. Close the bracket. Then 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 11B hexahydro 4H pyrazinoisoquinoline. But this is having ketone in fourth position, so that should end with 4-one. That is used in the treatment of pinworms, intestinal helminthiasis and enterobiasis. See the mechanism of action of praziquantel. This is acting as a depolarizing neuromuscular blocking agent that activates nicotinic receptors and inhibit the enzyme choline esterase. Because of inhibiting that enzyme, it leads to worm paralysis. Next drug is ivermectin. This is the structure of ivermectin. It is obtained from Streptomyces avermetilis. Natural ivermectins are 16-membered macrocyclic lactones and they are used in the treatment of onchocerciasis, that is African river blindness that is caused by O. vulvaris. It is effective against both eyeworm as well as skin infections of O. vulvaris. That's all about anthelmintics.